Hello, welcome back to Chinese Bilingual Bridge channel. I know why you're here today because you want to learn Filipino language, right? Okay, our lesson today is learning these three words: birthday, happening, and make. I'm giving you this in advance because I will be using these words tomorrow and the next 2 days. All right, let's start. Okay, let's start learning these three words in Filipino language: birthday, happening, and make. Let's start with birthday. In Visayan, adlaw nga natawhan. Again, adlaw nga natawhan. In Tagalog, kaarawan. Kaarawan. Next, happening. In Visayan, nahitabo. Again, nahitabo. In Tagalog, nangyari. Again, nangyari. Let's go with the last one, make. Make in Visayan is pagama. Again, pagama. In Tagalog, magawa. Magawa. Okay, this is all for today. Just keep coming back here at Janice Bilingual Bridge Room. That way you will learn new Filipino words every day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share.